y'all, so I had went to JJ's Fish and Chicken on Panola Road and got some chicken, y'all, because I keep seeing this honey hot Old Bay chicken wings, and I ain't feel like cooking in there or whatever, so I was like, let me just go to JJ's, period, if you know, you know, and give me some chicken wings, and I'm just make me some sauce. So I got my butter, honey, Old Bay. I should put the wing sauce, hot sauce, the Louisiana hot sauce. I don't know. I'll probably do Louisiana. Alright, so after the butter went ahead and melted, I'm about to put me some hot sauce. Don't ask me for the measurements, y'all, because I don't know, I'm just pouring. And I'm hoping that it turned out good, because I ain't never had no honey hot Old Bay wings. Like, I'm gonna put some honey. Pour it to your ancestors till you stop, baby, period. Old Bay. I didn't want to put too much of that. I forgot, y'all, I had wanted to add this, my favorite, red jalapeno garlic in there. I love this on just about everything, y'all, I swear to God. Kendrick, I need to go ahead and sponsor, girl, period. But y'all see it starting to bubble. Go ahead and stir it up. Alright, y'all, so as y'all can see, ooh. This is how it's starting to look. Y'all, I'm so scared. I don't know about no Old Bay and honey and hot. But we finna try this out, y'all. It didn't take long. But no, I don't know. Let me see. I'm gonna let it cook a little more longer. And then you know you can never forget about them fries. Period. I'm making my own fries because I ain't feel like buying they fries. And it would have been soggy and everything else by the time it was time for us to eat. And I was gonna make my own home cut fries, but I ain't feel like doing that either. Tonight was like a lazy night. Like, period. A lazy Friday night. I should have had the other one, but now I'm finna go ahead and cut this off. Ooh, I hope this is good. These are the wings from JJ's. These are JJ's fish wings. So, yeah, I'm about to go ahead and start dropping them in there and we're gonna see how it tastes. So let's see how it tastes. Malaysia in August. Try this honey hot Old Bay wing and see if you like it. Ooh, it's hot. What it tastes like? Yeah, I gotta talk loud too.
It looks like sweet and sour. Much more sour.
Do you taste the Old Bay?
It's not good.
I can taste the Old
It's
Bay.
really the mirror. It's really mindful. It's really good.
They so cute.
You know why it's happy?
How it tastes? I'll get you over there real quiet.
Well, when I tried it, it was good.
It's good. So y'all want them on y'all wings? Alright, I'm finna fix y'all plate in a second as soon as these fries get done. So I guess the trend say it's good, so
Trying to try these out.
what y'all give it though? Out of 10?
Over 100. A million.
Don't be cap.
What's happened? I really don't know. A million.
Okay. Well, we gonna see how Mumu like it when she eat hers. I guess that's it, y'all. Bye.